How to fix TikTok photo mode not working. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix TikTok photo mode not working. So to fix this issue, what you can do is the account switch workaround. Just open your TikTok app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap the username at the top. Now select add account to log into a secondary or burner account. Now once you're logged in, scroll on the For You page on the secondary account for a couple of minutes, then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe away the TikTok app to close it completely. Once you close it completely, just reopen the app. Now the next thing what you can do is clear your TikTok cache. Just open your TikTok app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right, then tap the three-line menu at the top right and then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down to cache and cellular, then tap on free up space and then tap clear next to the cache. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.